I was kindly sent the new iCraft cutting machine, so here is everything you need to know about setting it up and how to use it. And with Valentine's Day right around the corner, naturally we have to do a Valentine's Day craft, so let's get started.
Am I in the midst of moving? Yes, I am. Do I absolutely need to open this up and get this started? Yes, I do. So we're gonna unpack some of my moving boxes so that we can get crafting with this for Valentine's Day. I'm so excited. Ooh, this will be perfect for packing for our move. Oh my gosh, so many goodies in here. Foil transfer kit, definitely gonna have to try that. Deep point blade kit. Also, if the lighting's crazy in here, it's because I'm literally in my garage. So, yeah. We have some, looks like glitter vinyl. We'll have to play around with this. The best of the best. Oh my goodness, you gotta get this out of here. Ugh. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Bam. Hello. We absolutely need to set this up immediately and get it started. Loklik? I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know how to use it. Let's figure it out together. And it also came with the roll holder, which is awesome. It's kind of giving me like the Cricut Smart Vinyl vibes. So let's move all this out of the way, our new moving box, and see what we can do with this guy. Let's get started. Anyone else's craft room chaotic? I mean, this isn't my normal craft area, but does anyone else's look like this? Because this is what I've been working with lately. And of course, after I've packaged everything, packed it for the move, is when my husband's like, hey, I need all this stuff done for my car, for my business, and I had to unpack everything, and now we're unpacking it again. Okay, so we're gonna move this stuff out of the way. We'll come back to you later. I'm so excited to try this out. Like I said, it's giving me very like Smart Vinyl vibes, which I've never tried out, so we must. Let's open this up. Okay, so what's included in this box? Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in this box. That's crazy. Okay, so let me kind of show you what's included in this box because I did not expect this. I thought it was literally just the machine in here. Hello. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. You can hear my kids yelling in the background. It's fine. We have a mat, it looks like. Let's see, standard grip mat. And I think this is the heat transfer vinyl sample because it says there is one. So we'll definitely have to play around with this. So perfect. Comes with this little envelope. Let's open it up and see what's inside. A little blurb about them. And then it's telling you what's included in the box, which is super cool. It's like a breakdown of everything right here. It looks like they have a weeding tool, a mat, a sample, a pen, a blade, obviously the charger, and then the plug for your computer, some extra blades and a blade housing. Wow, there's a couple different blades. And then of course the machine. So super cool. We need to immediately get started with this. And then the manual, which I will definitely need to be taking a peek at to see how the heck to work it. Okay, now let's move this to the side and pull out this bad boy. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's so much more goodies in here. Check it out, there's even more. I mean, I just told you what was in here, but it's all like in the bottom. So like I said, it has the cable. This connects from the machine to your computer. I'm assuming it also has Bluetooth options as well, probably similar to like your Cricut machine, Silhouette, stuff like that. So I will of course check it out and let you know. The charging port, this is very much identical to your Cricut machine that you would normally get. A pen, love that. A little weeding tool, always handy. This I'm so excited for. It's a little tool compartment that goes on the side of your machine. Like, come on. How handy is that? And then of course we have the blades, the blade housing, and then for the pen, I believe is the pen housing. The pen housing, the penthouse? I don't know. Okay, so this is done. Unbox this. I'm gonna keep this box and cardboard for the move. That'll be handy. Okay. Take her out of the box. She's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, peel off the tape, the most satisfying part. Oh Oh, there's even more. Oh no, it's just the cardboard. I was gonna say, what the heck? Okay, so you're gonna remove the cardboard. Let's find where the plug goes. Okay, so the plugs go on the side here. Pretty straightforward on which one goes where. Let's turn it on. Oh my gosh. Apparently this machine's really quiet. It is really quiet. Oh my goodness, my Cricut machine is so loud. What's it doing? Oh my gosh. Let's pop this on. So I'm pretty sure it literally just clicks in. Did it do it? No. Hello. How do I, oh, I see. There's like a little piece that you have to like shuffle in. Okay, so it kind of just clicks in like that, and then you're able to store your tools in it. Oh my gosh, and like the blade housing and everything in here. This is so handy. Immediately, let's get started. Should we make a card? Should we make a Valentine's Day card? Let's make a Valentine's Day card. Okay, we're figuring this out together, y'all. Like, I've never used this machine. I've never seen a tutorial on this machine, so we're in this together, truly. Hello? Am I doing this wrong? Okay, maybe I'm doing this wrong. Maybe it's the wrong side. Hang on. Does that fit? There we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. It's in. Okay, so it looks like, here we go. We'll put the little lid in there so we don't lose it. Okay, we're gonna have to figure out how we can even design the card. I don't know what software to use. Where's that instruction manual? We need it immediately. Instructions, power on the machine. Design your image and set up the cutting parameters in the software. It doesn't tell you the software, but we'll figure that out. What is the software that I need to download is what I would like to know. So it looks like it's loklik.com/download. So let's go to my computer and do that. Oh, why hello there. I'm on the floor now, so it's time to hop on over to the voiceover. I went to loklik.com/download and then it brought me to this page. You can see that it's saying it's compatible with most operation systems. So here it's showing like a tablet, a phone, and then your computer. I'm going to go ahead and download this for Windows. Of course, if you have a Mac, download it there. So I'm going to press that. Give it a few minutes. We also have the mobile app. I see an iOS app and an Android, so there are other options as well. If you don't have a desktop and you want to use your phone, you want to use like a tablet or something. I'm interested to know their machines and things. Let's play around while we're waiting for it to download. Yeah, I really like the noise reduction because I think that makes a big difference as a mom when I'm trying to craft. Sometimes with my cutting machine, it's super loud. So I think this is really handy to just quietly be able to craft. Features, let's see, high efficiency in mind. More colors, so they have really cute little colors. The pink one's really pretty as well, wow. I love this, a one-stop service. So I've heard they have really good customer service as well and like customer support, which is huge. If y'all know from other cutting machines, sometimes it's kind of tricky to get help with certain things, so that makes a big difference. They have a connected graphic design software, so similar to other cutting machines as well. And we're going to try it out and see what we think about it. The workshop is an image resource website with tons of free and delicate designs, and then more detailed step-by-step instructions. So there's tutorial videos and things like that, which is very cool. One-stop service. We've kind of seen everything there is to see. So let's see if the download is done, and then I'll open it up and get started. I'm going to do my best to explain what I'm doing because I don't know if it's going to show you on my screen. So what I'm doing is it says welcome to Loklik Studio, and then to install press next. So I'm going to go ahead and just press next. Okay, and then it says ready to install. It's asking me to put it in the destination folder and where I'm going to put it. That's fine. I'm going to go ahead and say yes, please. Okay, so we're going to press on install. It's going to take a few minutes to actually go ahead and install it. So I'm just going to let it kind of do its thing. Perfect, and then it says it's complete and to launch the studio. So we're going to go ahead and just select finish, and then we are good to go, ready to get crafting, I guess, and figure out this software. I'm curious if it is more user-friendly than the other ones that I've tried. Okay, so here it's just asking to set up your password, username, register yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and register, and we're in. Okay, so the first thing it's doing is asking, are you a beginner or are you a pro user? So I'm gonna go ahead and just press on beginner. I'm curious what it's going to say. Okay, so it's saying welcome, and here's your guide. So the first one is connection installation. Choose your design and then make. Super simple. So let's go ahead and do that. I have the Icraft machine. It looks like they also have the Loklik Crafter machine, which is really cool. But I have the Icraft one. So we're going to go that and press next. I think I'm going to do USB connection. You could set up Bluetooth, but today I would rather do USB connection for the install. So I'm going to go ahead, set that up, and then I'll come right back when I've done that part. Okay, so it's asking me to please install the fine point blade into the tool housing and close the clamp. So I went ahead and I did that. Stick the heat transfer vinyl sample to the top left corner of the cutting mat, align front edge to the cutting mat. So I'm going to actually skip this portion because I'm not going to be doing this tutorial. There is a quick starter video beginner guide that you could do. I'm going to go ahead and exit that and honestly just wing it. Let's play around with this a little bit. We have text, pen, shape. Okay, so you could go ahead and unlock. There's some options there. Okay, I see that that's like the pro version. And then these are the free version. So maybe what I could do is download some type of SVG and then upload it myself. So I'm going to go on Creative Fabrica and find something that I want to download for my Valentine's Day card. And then I will just upload it directly into there. So I'm going to come back once I found a design that I want to use. Alrighty, so I went ahead and downloaded an SVG for a Valentine's Day card off of Creative Fabrica, and I unzipped the file. So now we're just going to go ahead and upload. If you do not know what I'm talking about with unzipping the file, I will leave a video right here so you know exactly how to prep your file to import it into the device that you're using. So we want, I think, number one. Let's open. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. Okay, so it was really simple to upload, which I like. I think this card is a little too big, so let's make it smaller. We'll make it about here. Okay, that's perfect. And then you could totally, it looks like, change the colors, play around with it a little bit. I think I'm going to do white, and then, oh, it's very hard to see, so maybe just for your perspective, I'll put gray so you can see it a little easier. It will be white. And then I'll do probably a color card in the background as well. I could add some text if I wanted on here, maybe with the pen feature. I could write something on here. That would be really cool. I wonder if, if I did, maybe we do the card and then we'll do the pen feature after where I could write something on it. That would be really cool. Okay, so we have our card. What are the other options here? Okay, we have offsets. You could create yourself an offset if you wanted to. I don't need to, but I like that they have that feature. It looks like they have contour, fill, you can flip, arrange, combine. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward, similar to other software that you would use. I think it is pretty user-friendly, it looks like. Let's see what pattern is. Okay, so it's like a shape, kind of. Oh, cool, so you can draw out the shape yourself. That's really cool. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make this right here. So I'm gonna press on make. And it's showing me exactly what the mat's gonna look like, which is perfect. It's prompting me to go ahead and do that. Let's see, standard cut. Oh, they have print then cut, that's really cool. So it's asking me for my cutting mat, 12 by 12, that's perfect. And what other options do they have? Okay, they have 12 by 24, cool. They're asking me colors, you can group them, which is cool, and materials for each color. And then, so I'm gonna go ahead and press that. A type is just going to be cardstock, let's see. Other. Where is the search button? Cardstock, perfect. Okay, we have cardstock, 12 by 12 force, so you can adjust this, which is great. There's the mirror option. I'm going to add to task and ensure the material color matches the layer color. Yes, it does. It's going to do 2 passes, which is interesting. So let's go ahead and press on start. Please load material first. Okay, so you have to load your material first. Let's go over there and do that first then. What we need to do is take out one of these little blades. Really straightforward to put in the blade. Oh, okay, I see. You have to take off that. Yes, makes sense. It literally just pops in, and then to take it out, you're gonna push this button and then carefully pull it out, okay? So you can throw out this little piece if you don't need it. I'm just gonna pop it back in here for now. And then your blade just goes right in here and it clicks shut. Straightforward, easy to use, perfect. Okay, I don't need this cord here. I can move this cord out of the way. The instructions out of the way, we don't need you. We know what we're doing now, hopefully. And we have our mat here. Perfect. Okay, so we have that open and set up. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a piece of cardstock that I have somewhere. Pink. Okay, we're gonna do pink instead of white because I think it's more Valentine's vibes. So I'm going to go ahead and place it on my mat. Remember, you want it to match what your digital mat says. You're going to line it up here and here with the little guide and grid. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and press the arrow. I love how quiet it is, wow. I am going to pull it a little bit away from the wall because you don't want your mat to, when it sucks in, hit the wall. It's going to either break your mat, mess up your design, or your machine. You don't want any of those things to happen. So next, it looks like I can just press on my computer, start, and it's gonna do its own thing. Okay, let's see what happens. Wow, it's so quiet. It's done cutting, so we can unload our mat and see what it looks like. Let's unload it. So quiet, I'm just obsessed. Perfect, so we're gonna move the machine out of the way, our little Icraft, and you're wanting to peel away from the mat. Remember, that is always how you wanna do it to protect your material. Oh, it's so cute. Look how pretty it is just left on the mat. That's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna peel that all up after. Oh, the card looks so cute. Okay, so I'm thinking we add a little background to it. So I grabbed a spare piece of cardstock that I'm gonna go ahead and just cut down to size and then fit right inside. Perfect. Okay, so let's see if we cut it like here. Should fit. We're doing what we can with what we have because, like I said, most of the stuff is packed away and very buried for the move. But that's okay. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, let's see if I can find my glue. Oh dear. Oh dear, it's really packed away. Okay, let's see what I can do. Hold on. Okay, I was able to find some of my kids' craft glue, so we're just gonna go ahead and put glue all over this side of the page. This is so cute. Now you could totally use your Loklik craft machine. You could totally use your iCraft machine to write with the pen function on the inside. That would be really cool, so I wonder if we should try that out just to see like how it does. Should we? I mean, we're here, right? We may as well. Okay, so that's perfect. And then maybe we could just get it to write here. Play around with the pen. Let's do that. Let's write a little note that we can have our machine draw out for us, and then it would actually look really nice. Let's do that. Alrighty, so we are just going to add something really simple. What should I have it say? XOXO. Mom. How about we just have it write XOXO? I think that's cute, easy. And how do we change it to pen? Maybe we have to do it when we go ahead and cut it out. Okay. Clear. Let's see. Draw. Perfect. So I'm going to press draw. I want it to be this color. Move it like here. And let's make sure we don't want it. Okay. I think that's a good spot. I like that you can adjust the size here too. I'm just going to do something small. Okay. Group. And add task. Right, I don't really think it matters what material I'm using because I'm just drawing. Add task. Default. Sure. Okay, so what we're going to do is pop this blade out and put in the pen housing. Hello. Take our pen out of its bag. This pen does have two sides. I'm just going to use the smaller one and pop it in, and then pop this in. Make sure it's in right. Perfect. Load my mat. Pull it a little bit away from the wall as well. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna press start. See what happens there. Okay, clearly the pen is not down enough. There we go, it clicked. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Perfect. That time it worked. Let's unload our mat. Now I can go ahead and write a personalized message on there. I love it. How cute. Carefully peel it up. And there we have our really sweet Valentine's Day card ready to go. Oh my gosh. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh, it's so cute.